In this video, I'll guide you through how to place a clip with a black background over your main footage and blend it in cleanly so only the bright parts show through. Let's start with the basic idea. A lot of overlay clips you download, like light flares, smoke elements, or particle effects, come on a solid black background. If you simply drop them onto your timeline, you'll see a black box covering your main footage, which obviously isn't what you want. The goal is to keep your main clip fully visible and only let the bright parts of the overlay sit on top, as if they're part of the original shot. First, make sure you have both pieces of media in your timeline, your main footage and the clip with the black background. Your main footage should sit on a lower track, and your overlay clip should be directly above it on a higher track. Think of it like stacking layers. Whatever is higher in the stack is what you'll see most clearly, unless you tell the software to blend them in a special way. Once your overlay clip is on a track above the main footage, click on that overlay clip to select it. With it selected, open the inspector. Depending on your editing software, the inspector is usually found on the right-hand side of the screen, and it shows all the adjustable properties for the clip you've clicked on. If you don't see it, look for a button or menu option labeled Inspector and make sure it's enabled. With the inspector open and the overlay clip still selected, scroll through the settings until you find Composite mode, which might also be called Blend mode. This is the key setting that tells your editor how to blend your overlay with the clip underneath. By default, it's usually set to normal, which means the overlay just sits on top and completely covers what's below wherever it's opaque. Now you'll change that. Click on the Composite mode or Blend mode, drop down, and switch it from normal to one of the brightening modes, Screen, Add, or Lighten. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the black background on your overlay disappears, and only the bright parts remain visible over your main footage. Here's what's happening. These blend modes are designed to ignore black or very dark pixels and keep the lighter parts. Screen softens the overlay and is great for light leaks or subtle flares. Add is a bit more intense, boosting the brightness where the two clips overlap, which can be dramatic but sometimes too strong. Lighten compares the two layers and keeps whichever pixel is brighter, often giving you a balanced result that still feels natural. Take a moment to play through your timeline and see how each mode looks. Try switching between Screen, Add, and Lighten while your clip is playing. If the effect is too strong, you can usually lower the opacity of the overlay clip in the same inspector panel until it blends nicely with the footage beneath. This approach is perfect for overlays like lens flares, smoke wisps, dust, or particle effects, especially when they were